That scared me.
This isn't even the loud train.
To those of you who have just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Watch your children, and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los niños. Por favor, se ruega no fumar. Gracias.
We're now en route to our final stop, the Tomorrowland Monorail Station. Along the way, you can get a bird's-eye look at the downtown Disney District, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, and Disney California Adventure. To the left of the monorail is the main entrance of Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Disneyland is truly an American original. Since its opening in 1955, it has hosted hundreds of millions of guests from around the world, including presidents, kings, and celebrities. It is the original Disney theme park, created and enjoyed by Walt Disney himself. To the right is our transportation plaza, where you'll find taxis, hotel shuttles, and public transit stops. We're about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead, so be sure to remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the cabin.
Or I could put them on the track.
I'm gonna do that at least 2 more times.
This is Tomorrowland, a land inspired by science fact and fantasy. Below us is the Submarine Lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled run. And beneath us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow.
Oh yeah,
As we cruise over Tomorrowland, our pilot would like to share a few program reminders.
Good morning, friends, and welcome to Disneyland. As a friendly reminder, the parks will be closing at midnight tonight. Disneyland Park will close at midnight. Tomorrow does close with the park at midnight, so just keep that in mind. We also have two take the night parades for you, one at 8:45 and the other at 10:45. We also have two fantastic showings, one at 9:05 and the other at 10:30. And lastly, we'll have our launch journeys for every show at 9:35, weather permitting. Please keep in mind, the monorail does not run during tonight's driver is spectacular. We will be temporarily closed from about 8:30 until 10 o'clock. Just keep that in mind and enjoy the rest of your day.
What? What do you stand for 10?
We can't leave till 10 because Monorill's closed from 8:30 to 10.
Oh. Well, we can take the other.
Water orange stop, water orange stop, water orange stop. Zone 16 for drive 1 and drive 3 run motor field to turn.
This is where Gwen and I used to do our rehearsals for the roads. Back here. Where we were dances.
To the right of the monorail, you just might spot the sparkling gold spires of one of Disney's most beloved attractions. It's a small world. And now we're riding alongside the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland, home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other storybook characters. We're now approaching the Tomorrowland Monorail station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us, and we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland. This is the Tomorrowland Monorail Station. Hello everyone, welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. We are now beginning a 2.5-mile journey to downtown Disney Station and back. For a safe trip, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Be sure to watch your children and personal belongings.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y manténgala. Brazos, pies, downtown Disney District and the Disneyland Resort Hotel. If you will be leaving us here and returning later today, please hold on to your park ticket as you leave the station. You may utilize the monorail for a return trip to Tomorrowland up until 1/2 hour prior to Disneyland closing. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop and the doors have opened. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the left of the monorail. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you enjoy your visit to the Disneyland Resort. For those of you